Hello viewer, we are using the design, add the different features there. So make a pen. Again I will change the color to add there. Also make the changes. So there we are. I will use an elliptical shape here. We will create another pen. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So there it is.